So crunches. Crunches are unlike sit-ups. I prefer people to do crunches than sit-ups, because with sit-ups it doesn't take many repetitions before you start to use your hip flexors, which can cause other issues. So what we're going to do, we're going to put our hands on our thighs, take a big deep breath, and as we come up, breathe out, and we want to just aim to get our fingers past our knees. So we come up, we feel that tension here. I always find that most people, when they do sit-ups, they probably get to about 20, and then they start feeling it in the hip flexors. The thing with crunches, especially if you're breathing right, you tend to be able to keep all the tension within the core. Okay? Enjoy.